Hi, I'm Michelle with Chrisman Family Chiropractic, a Creating Wellness Center, where we restore the flow of life. www.restorelifeflow.com in Bel Air, Maryland. And I'd love to invite you to our ADHD in Your Child workshop, which is this Monday, February the 18th, 2013 at Brooms Bloom Dairy off of 543 in Bel Air, Maryland. And this workshop is a wellness strength-based workshop. Many people see ADHD as a disability, and I want you to not only begin to see that there's a new path that we can forge together. I also am going to read to you the latest research on ADHD and your child, and I want you to begin to see the beautiful changes that can occur with you coming to this workshop and learning even more great information. This says 9 out of 10 children with moderate to severe ADHD continue to experience serious and often severe symptoms and impairment long after their original diagnosis. This study was done and published February the 11th, 2013 from the Journal of the American Academy of Child and Adolescent Psychiatry. And this has been the largest long-term analysis to date of preschoolers with ADHD. It says that symptom severity scores did not differ significantly between the more than 2/3 of children on medications and those off of medications. Specifically, 62% of children taking anti-ADHD drugs had clinically significant hyperactivity and impulsivity, compared with 58% of children not taking medications. I want you to begin to see that what we have done in the past for our children, it is not working. It's a broken model. And I'm here to not only empower you and educate you on the latest research on ADHD in your children, but I want you to begin to see this is a moment of investing in your child's health and in their future. Many people will say to me, but Michelle, my schedule's busy. I don't know what's going on that day. And one of the most important things that I've learned over my lifetime, which Dr. Kevin Jackson said, was procrastination is the biggest stealer of health. And I ask you to begin to see that this is a very important event. Please make room for this on your schedule and simply show up. You'll not only learn great nuggets of information for your child to be healthy and well naturally with ADHD, but my hope is you'll also enjoy it as well. You can reserve your seat by calling our staff at 410-734-4060. That's 410-734-4060. And I want you to also know that you can tune in live every Saturday from 8:30 to 9 in the morning Eastern Standard Time and watch me and learn even more great information with Wake Up to Wellness with Michelle Chrisman. I have the most amazing guests throughout the world on how to take care of yourself naturally. And we have few segments on there about how to take care of your children with ADHD through autism. And you can listen to me on WAMD 970 AM, WYRE 810, WKHZ 1460, and you can watch me on khztv.com. That's www.khztv.com. Again, thanks for your time, and I really hope and look forward to meeting you, your friends, and your family this Monday, February the 18th at Brooms Bloom Dairy at 7 p.m. with ADHD in Your Child.